smartphone, after the separation of Redmi brand from its parent company, Xiaomi. Last year, Xiaomi had released the Redmi 6A, Redmi 6, and Redmi 6 Pro smartphones in China, but it had skipped the Redmi Note 6 handset, probably because it featured similar specs as the Redmi Note 5 phone. Unlike the Note series predecessor models, the Redmi Note 7 has arrived with a premium glass body. Moreover, it offers an impressive screen space through its water drop-notch display. Also, the smartphone is equipped with a 48-megapixel rear camera. The glass body Redmi Note 7 measures 8.1 millimeters thick. Redmi claims that the Note 7 features a rock-solid and diamond-like durable body. The handset features 2.5D Corning Gorilla 5 glass panels with an additional 0.8 mm thickness on its front and rear. To protect it from breaking easily, the company has strengthened its four corners. The micro-crack edge polishing process increases the toughness of the device. The drop protection performance of the glass build of the Note 7 is 4 times stronger than competing glass. The Note 7 is the first dust-proof and water-resistant Redmi phone. However, the company did not confirm on the IP rating of the phone at its launch. The buttons and ports of the Note 7 have been specially treated to protect it from water damage. Also, it's the first Redmi smartphone to arrive in attractive color gradient choices. The 6.3-inch screen of the Redmi Note 7 produces 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio in Full HD Plus resolution. The display carries support for 450 nits brightness, 1500 by 1 contrast ratio, sun legibility, and eye protection mode. The size of its side bezels is reduced to 1.95 millimeters. Also, the chin of the device is not very thick. The Snapdragon 660 chipset from last year is the driving force of the Redmi Note 7. The handset comes in 64GB and 128GB storage choices. Both models are equipped with 6GB of RAM. At the launch event, Redmi compared the performance prowess of the smartphone with Oppo K1. It revealed that the Snapdragon 660 powered Note 7 scored 144,599 on an AnTuTu benchmark. Redmi claims that the Note 7 even outscored the Kirin 710 powered Honor 8X smartphone. There is a dedicated microSD card slot for expanding its storage. The latest MIUI 10 based Android 9 Pie comes preloaded on the Redmi Note 7. There is a 4000 mAh battery present inside the smartphone. The Note 7 is also the first Redmi phone to come equipped with USB-C port for Quick Charge 4.0. It takes around 2 hours and 5 minutes to charge it with the regular 10-watt charger that comes bundled with the phone. Photography is one of the major features of the Redmi Note 7, since it is equipped with f1.8 aperture, 48 megapixel, plus 5 megapixel AI dual camera setup. Redmi has used Samsung 48 megapixel, ultra-clear sensor as the primary sensor. The company claims with the help of the Samsung lens, the Redmi Note 7 can capture poster-level HD photos. Also, it can shoot amazing photos in low-light conditions by combing 4 pixels into one large pixel. Sitting inside the frontal notch of the Redmi Note 7 is a 13-megapixel camera that has a large pixel of 1.6 micron. It is equipped with features like AI Smart Beauty and AI Face Unlock. The Redmi Note 7 is equipped with a 3.5mm audio jack, and it also features an infrared blaster, which makes it possible to use it as a remote control. A fingerprint scanner resides of the backside of the smartphone. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Share your opinion down below, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.